My painting. Not bad, is it? I'm really pleased with it. So I've done the Davincified painting by numbers kit, and this is what I got. So I want to show you exactly what I got, tell you what's good, what's maybe not so good, and whether I think it's worth your money. So when it comes, it's all perfectly sealed up and everything's really well protected. The padding in the packaging is absolutely fine. And here's what's in my package. Now, you might not have everything I've got in here, but I'll go through that with you. So let's get everything out. The first thing here is the frame. Now, if you order a frame for the stretched canvas, then that's what you're going to get. If you don't, then that's fine. And you also get some instructions, though they're dead easy to do, which I'll show you later. I've also got some professional paintbrushes that I ordered from Davincified that are an extra purchase, but so worth it. They flip inside like that so that the brush is protected inside the handle when you're not using them, and they really were beautiful to use. And in the package there are 6 different sizes, so it allows you to use a smaller one on the smaller areas and a larger one on the larger areas, which again just made it an even more pleasant experience. So if you order those, that's fine. If you don't worry, you get some brushes in the kit anyway. You get 3 brushes. Here's a little picture of what my picture's supposed to look like at the end. Now with Davincified, you get a choice with your paints of having 24, 36 or 48 different colours, and that will dictate how long it's going to take you to paint and also how detailed it's going to be. Now I went for the 24 option and I thought that was plenty, but it depends how detailed you want to be. Now in this tube is the actual canvas and a paper version of the picture. So that gives me a nice reference for all the numbers and the picture. And I did actually use it quite a lot. And I'll tell you what else I used. I used the magnifier feature in my phone to look at the numbers, really helpful. And here's the canvas all printed out. And because it's been rolled, it's beautifully flat and ready to go. So then I do not have an easel. I'm not a professional painter, and I'm going to guess you're not. So what I always do is tape mine using a low-tack tape to a piece of foam board. So then you can work flat, but you can also stand it up and hide it in a room when you're not using it. And then all that's left to do is start painting. I found the paints were really good. If they get a little bit thick, if you're leaving the tops off too long, you can add a little bit of water, just some drops, and that just gets them going again. And this is just me getting started. I'm not going to show me painting this. You literally just start and keep going. I work from the top left to the bottom right because I'm right-handed, but you do what suits you and enjoy. It's all about relaxing and getting into an almost meditative state, because it's just so nice and allows you to step out of your normal busy day and just relax. So then you just keep painting until you're finished. And then you come to your framing, and you'll notice here my hands have changed dramatically because yes, this is my husband putting the frame together while I film him. We just wanted to include how easy it is. You are literally just pushing those together. So if you choose the stretched canvas, you can DIY your frame with ease. That's all that's involved. And then you take your actual canvas and you prepare that. So you can see my finished painting, and you just fold the edges back. So you find the edge of the picture and fold the edge back. Now, what I found all the time I was painting was that this was a really good quality canvas. The paints were great. I'd got the professional brushes and they were great, and just a really enjoyable process. And on the site there's a massive selection of pictures, massive selection. Oh, and here we go. What they provide are little thumbtacks so you can secure it. So you put some thumbtacks in all down one side, stretch it across and thumbtack the other side, and then do the same with the other 2 sides. So would I recommend these painting by numbers kits? I would actually, and I think they'd be really nice as a gift for somebody. I mean, who wouldn't want to do this? What I would say is there's a massive choice on the site. Don't be overwhelmed. There's a search function. It's broken down into sections. Other thing I wanted to point out was to be careful with your corners. We just found a way that worked for us. But just make sure you end up with a nice tight, tidy corner, because obviously you will see it. So that was just a little tip there. And then just get all your thumbtacks in and you're finished. And then we hung a picture wire on ours to hang it, but it's entirely up to you how you hang it. And I'll just show you the finished piece and see what you think. Do you think I did a reasonable job for a woman with no real artistic talent? I'd just like to say, I think I did. So take a look. There's a link in the description below. There's a link on the screen. Go and have a look and see what you think.